viewers all over the world. Welcome again to African Proverbs, their interpretations and moral lesson. I am Padairo, and through this channel, I'll be giving you daily dose of Proverbs from West Africa to East Africa to Central Africa to South Africa and to Northern Africa. All you need to do to be part of this daily proverb is to like, share, and subscribe so that you can be getting your daily notification. Today's proverb is from Nigeria. Yes, Nigeria. And that proverb says that the sky is too wild for any bird to collide with one another. It's too wild. And what is the meaning? The meaning is that the world is vast enough for peaceful coexistence for everyone. The world is vast enough for everyone to coexist peacefully. And what is the moral lesson? The moral lesson is that there's always a room for peaceful coexistence and harmony. There's always a room for peaceful coexistence and harmony. Don't be too rigid. Don't become somebody that wherever you are, there will always be a problem. Live a peaceful life. There's always a room wherever you find yourself for peaceful coexistence and harmony. Thank you for listening. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.